So I bought the Ooono co-driver and it's delivered, and this is the box it's come in. Let's have a look at it closely. So obviously barcode at the bottom, tag at the top, bit of tape at there holding it down together. Let's get it open and have a look. So there's a plastic thing between the battery and the unit itself, so it doesn't use power whilst it's in the box. So when you remove that, it activates itself. Also, it's got some 3M stickers and it doesn't come with a mount. They sell the mount separately at quite an inflated price. So as I've pulled out that plastic strip, you can see it's turned itself on, and here's some instructions there as well, and you can get the app on Google Play. So it connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and then your phone then connects it to the GPS satellites. So this QR code is for the app in the Google Play Store. Just scan that with your phone, or just go to the Play Store and then hit open like that, and then it will install. Speed it up a little bit. Once you've got the app installed, just fill out the form. He or she, well, that put me off. First name, last name, etc. Add your email address, two-factor authorization. Then just scroll through the app and set it all up, turn Bluetooth on, give permission to GPS, etc. So once the app is installed, there's a little video sort of giving you instructions on how to do it and stuff. Pretty straightforward. Not really worth watching though. There's also a video showing you how it works in reality, warning you about hazards and also speed traps. So here's a speed camera warning sign that I've just driven past in France, and then a little bit further down the road, because I've adjusted the distance for the camera warnings, I think it's 0.6 of a mile, the alarm will go off. So that's warning that the camera's up ahead. And there is the camera there on the right. The done thing now is to press the Ooono once to confirm that the camera is still there, so then the community know that the camera's there.